Hello and welcome back to the Ielts. In the last discussion we were able to cover some important elements involved in Ielts speaking. Today we are going over the Ielts speaking bands. The Ielts scores range from 0 to 9. The lowest score is 0, which means that you did not attend the test, while the highest possible score is 9. Overall band scores are calculated to the nearest whole or half band. The three parts of the speaking test are marked all together, so it's important to concentrate from beginning to end. Speaking performances are assessed by a certified Ielts examiner. The test will be recorded, but you'll be scored by the examiner in real time. The score on each criteria is set on average, which becomes the speaking band score. However, only the band score is seen on the report. The individual scores are unknown. Each criterion comprises 25% of the speaking band score. The four criteria are fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammar, and pronunciation. Lower band scores in fluency and coherence are typical due to slow speech, repetition, overuse or misuse of discourse markers, and inability to talk about complex issues. Getting higher band scores means having fewer repetitions and pauses and using discourse markers properly. Lexical resource means vocabulary. Using vocabulary with full flexibility and precision in all topics will greatly boost your chances of scoring high in the exam. You must also use idiomatic language naturally and accurately. Your score in grammatical range and accuracy will depend on the correctness of your sentences, which includes the tenses of verbs. Using a full range of structures naturally and appropriately will guarantee a high score for the speaker. This criterion refers to the clarity of speech. Accent is not necessarily needed to get a high band score. Rather, it is the mastery of individual sounds, word stress, and rhythm. To score high in speaking, you must use a full range of pronunciation features with precision. That is the end of the lesson. Having covered and understood the band scores, we can now proceed to the next part. Thank you for listening and continue to strive for excellence.